Hello everybody, it's Matt Rizak here from leatherpunk.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video was born out of all of the wonderful feedback you guys gave me on my first video talking about grommets and eyelets. Now admittedly I did not set any grommets in that video, I just kind of showed you the difference between the two, but we focused more on eyelets. But it's just as well because the feedback that you guys gave me allowed me to do something real special here for you today. And what you guys were telling me is that you're trying to get grommets set into this kind of woven plastic for banners. So if you have a banner and you're trying to reinforce it with a grommet, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, I also went one step further and put myself in your shoes. So I went to a store that anyone could go to, you know, a big box type hardware store, and I bought this Grommet kit. So I'm going to tell you right now why I bought this kit and what you want to look for in a kit. It doesn't have to be this brand. Don't worry about that. Don't focus on that. But what I like about this kit is that it has all the tools that you're going to need, all in one package. It has the setting tool. You'll hold this in your hand when you're setting. This is the anvil that you'll put the grommet on when you're setting it. Keeps it from getting misshaped. And then it also came with the punch tool. So you have a hole punch so that you can cut out a hole in your material. And I'll show you how to properly use this. And some of the instructions back here, I don't think they really miss a lot of details. So I don't think this is very descriptive. So we're going to fill in the gaps that they're missing. So let's go ahead and cut this open and get started. Okay, so I took everything out. I ran through a couple test runs here just to see how the tools performed. And one thing I was not too happy with was this little hole punch. It didn't seem like it really did a lot. And so you really do, I think, need to use the hammer. I need to kind of backtrack on what I was saying earlier about the mallet. It appears that we probably will need to use a hammer. Ordinarily, that's kind of an unthinkable thing to do anytime you're setting little shapes like this, because this thin metal would normally get crushed. But I think it sort of compensates for some of the not so great tool quality. But these tools are good enough to get you through the project. We aren't doing this for a living, so we're not too worried about the longevity of these tools. But so let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is get your hole punched. Now we'll just take a small piece, and ordinarily it's likely that if you're setting a corner, you're going to have it where it's folded on both sides, so you'll have a nice thick area here on the corner. Now what you want to do is just double check, lay one of these grommets down flat, and you want to be far enough in there, kind of like that. Okay, you want to make sure you have enough material on each side so that you aren't worrying about it stretching and pulling through. So you want to be somewhere right about there is a good distance on your corners. I wouldn't want to go any further, and you definitely don't want it coming off the edge like that. So let's give this a shot here. Let's try to punch on through with one of these dull hole punches. And by the way, I'll demonstrate very quickly on a proper tool what it really looks like. I would use my mallet and just one quick hit, barely any pressure at all, and it cuts through. So it's got a good cutting edge. This one doesn't, so I'll show you what it's like. But this is what we are working with. And like I said, I want to do this as if it's, you know, from your perspective, where you're not out buying a whole bunch of expensive stuff that you're only going to use once. So we'll just kind of grit our teeth and bear through it. But let's put our hole right about here. And get your hand out of the way. It's going to hurt if you hit it with this hammer. You're going to have to hit it repeatedly, and I'm using a little soft material underneath, just some scrap leather. I don't know that it'll work well just on a flat, hard surface, so you want something underneath this. But sitting on top of it should be a hard surface. So let's punch that through. Just keep going. Oh, there. You got it. Okay, got a nice clean hole to work with there. So the next step is to set the grommet. Now this part here, when we look at the grommet, this is the flare, and that's the barrel. So we want the barrel up and the flare down. And then if you look at the washer, you'll notice that it is kind of concave. You want the rounded side out. So now put your material over it like that, and then set the grommet on there like that. So you see what this looks like? Get up close, get in the light. Got the washer on there, and this would be the front. The flare is going to be the front of your, so if this is the front of your banner, actually I'm probably backwards, so I'd be more like this. You wouldn't have the seam on the front, or you wouldn't have the end on the front, so this would technically be the back, like this. So here's our back, here's our front. That's what you want it to look like when it's finished. So put that on your anvil, and make sure that's in there, kind of wiggle that around. Okay, and then you get your setting tool, set that on there. Again, make sure you're on the anvil properly. Now you are going to have to use the hammer for this part too, and you're going to have to really hit this. You really want to hit it good. Now it looks decent. It's not crushed. Yeah, it's not tugging out of. It's held in there. Should we do one more? Okay, let's fold it over. See if this thing can handle 2. You really got to make sure you're not coming off the anvil though when you're setting this. Okay. Where's our little tool? There it is. Okay. One more hole about there. Looks good. Using our hammer. Yeah, I didn't quite get it. Try again. There. Okay. You can kind of hear it when it's done moving. There you go. Couple grommets set. They're in there tight. Not coming out. Hey everybody, I'm Matt Rizak. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.